Chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened when you... Good news, guys. Cavaletta's sold. All went through. So you saw us move the boat, and that was last week now. So a week's gone by. Money's in the Birds Bank. I've got a shopping trolley full of stuff that Force 4 Chandler is to help her spend it. Look.
I got my own shopping list.
Yeah. Look, the boat's gone. She is no longer there. She's down the other end of the marina, and it's a gorgeous day. So we are going to do one of the not so fun jobs about boating, emptying the waste tank. It's a fun smelly job, so we haven't done it yet on this boat, and it's getting full, so we're going to go in to empty it and
maybe pick up Rich on the way,
pot around the marina. All right, let's see how we get on.
Marina, Moretti. Bacon calling Portishead, Marina, say again please, over.
Yeah, this is Moretti. We're just going to go and do a pump out. Is the pump out station clear?
Moretti, Portishead, Marina. Yes, it's all clear on the events pontoon, over.
Yeah, copy that. Moretti out. Right.
Ready?
Okay, so flick that one off and then go and tie it on how we said.
Well, I'd sort it out after when we're moving.
Yeah, alright. That's it. Okay, release the stern. Okay, we're off. Just as literally, Bird, when we get alongside the pontoon.
Princess Moretti, Portishead, Marina.
Princess Moretti, over.
Yeah, hi Ben, just for information, Medley's just come off the fuel berth. I tried to raise him, you probably heard, he hasn't looked behind himself yet, just so you're aware, over.
Yeah, copy that, over. Good. Okay. Oh, alright. That was alright, nice and smooth. Not too smooth getting off the berth, but nice and smooth getting in here. Alright, let's go and empty this tank out. Okay, how do we empty the waste tank? So, right, here it is. Big tank under the lazarette. So I've just opened the vent on the top of the tank. I get to do the smelly bit.
Got the gloves, yeah.
So I'm taking the cap off here, and we're going to get the pump machine and suck it out. I've got some gloves. The glamorous assistant is going to watch and film.
Yes, it's a
Take the camera.
blue job, this is.
Yeah. New job. Alright, I don't know, I've never done on this boat, so we'll see. And yes, I'm putting gloves on, 'cause it's disgusting, because I got
In the
it's
box.
going to spray everywhere.
In the box there's 3 adapters. We don't know which one's going to fit yet. So we've got to try them all.
What's Mr. Kelly doing over there?
I reckon that one. Although, if you look at it, it's got screws in the side. Look.
Yeah. Like thread it.
I reckon that one. That one
Try that
fits.
one.
Yeah. That one's screwed in. Look. I reckon that one then.
Right. So we've got fresh water, waste and fuel right next to each other. Don't get the
What a
wrong one.
combination. Good job they're all labelled. There's Mr. Kelly over there.
Right, Gina? Just tight on there. Seal on this thing's shite. Right, so I've got film me then. Right, I'm going to put a token in the machine and then we'll set it off.
Is that thing going to stay there? It's going to go bob, 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 bob. Oh, until you turn the handle.
Yeah,
Oh,
I've got to push down tight. You're not getting this on camera, birds, because you're freaking out.
oh, can you see the shit going through the thing? Look. Why is it not working? Oh, it is. Bob, bob.
It's not doing so much.
I can hear something of bob, bob there.
Maybe I need to do that thing back up on the tank.
Do you want to try it? I can hear a tank, something going in the tank.
Yeah, let me go tighten that thing back up on the tank.
Nothing seems to be happening yet.
We used to have to undo that.
But this isn't our boat,
No,
this is
that's the
our
same
older
tank.
boat.
Let's do that.
Try it.
Still stinks.
There you go. Is that it? Well, something's moving because the pipe's moving.
Yeah.
So maybe you don't have to do that on this one. Oh, that stinks. Oh, I can smell it now. How do you know when it's... Because it's still going, so... How do you know when it's done?
Let's stop pumping out. Alright, so that is how you empty the waste tank.
And it's all tidied back on its hook over there.
And it stinks.
And I'll be going to take the adapters back now.
Yeah. You've got some blue stuff in the tank to keep it, helps with the smell.
Did you put
Okay.
some, you put some in, have you?
Not all boat life's glamorous. Alright, let's get it back.
good, thank you. Yeah,
good.
all good. Well, just taking it for a little spin.
Cool.
It's the first time we've done it, so yeah. So
You getting
all
stuck
right.
in?
What are you planning? What are you doing? What are you?
Alright. Getting the hang of it. Actually not too bad control, these throttles are not too bad. Not electronic, but they're not bad.
You're doing a fabulous job.
Yeah. And there's Brother Rich, I believe. And there's our old boat on it.
Hello, hello. There's the old boat. New owners on it.
Yes, going well.
Yeah.
Goes well.
There we go.
You there, Cal?
We're not doing nothing.
No, not you, Bird.
I know what I do.
I'm right on you, Cal, because I can't see anything.
What away, you better go up. Away now, you're coming in.
Alright. There we are. Beautiful. All in. We kind of did it. It was all good. So, yeah. Happy days. Moretti moved very well. Alright, I didn't have any any excuse really, because there's no boat next to us at the moment. But it was all learning. Me and the bird can do it all on our own. Happy days. See what we get at you next. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.